Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I want to share with you my favorite protein and nutrients packed breakfast. It is so delicious, so easy to make, and who doesn't like dessert for breakfast? So if you're ready for it, let's make our acai bowl. To make this delicious bowl, we're going to combine all of the ingredients together in a blender. I'm using the Herbalife Meal Replacement Shake because of its outstanding quality, taste, and its consistency. We have a link in the description and a coupon for 10% off. Since we're making this to be a healthy and a low sugar bowl, I use a pure acai extract. Flax seeds are completely optional, however I like to add a little extra fiber to my diet. You can try it as well. Once everything is combined, we're going to blend it until smooth. I absolutely love this Ninja blender. It has a specific setting for smoothies, bowls, and spreads. Every setting is timed, plus you have a turning tab to help you fully stir and mix your ingredients. Truly, best buy ever. Once everything is blended smoothly, pour it into your bowl and add your favorite toppings. I use banana, little granola, and cocoa nibs. They're so much better than your average chocolate chips since they don't have the sugar but great flavor and crunchiness. And here we are, all done and ready to enjoy this greatness. To find all the items used in this video, check out the links in the description below. You can find this and a lot more healthy recipes in my Push Start booklet, a program specifically designed for beginners to get started on their fitness journey.